Hi guys, we received this 6-pack LED recessed ceiling light, which are ultra thin and dimmable for reviewing purposes. Okay, when we open the box, first we see the instruction manual with all the installation steps and how to mount it. Okay, and here we got everything you need to install it. Okay, every screw, all the junctions, so it's really nice to have it. These are the boxes that uses. Okay, when we open it, we find the live wire and the neutral wire. This is the connector to the light. Okay, I'm gonna take one. As you can see, you place it with these clips right here and you place it like this. Okay, and in this side we have a switch so we can select all the different temperatures of the light. We have 30K, 35K, 40K, 50K and 65K. Okay, and you can select it with this switch, so it's really nice. I'm gonna place it, I'll be placing it in here so it gives kind of like a backlight to this part. So let's go ahead and install it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. They are very bright. It's on the warmest temperature and you can dim it, obviously. I'm gonna leave it there because I think it looks really nice. The color is great and it gives us a very nice backlight so we can, well, work here. Okay, and as you've seen, it's just a basic installation, some basic wiring, and that's all. It didn't take that much time and it's really easy. They are really nice and they are perfect for anywhere you want to place them. Just do the wiring and that's all in the holes, and they're really nice for your office, your dining room, where you want to place them. Okay, so I will really recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.